If you know anything about Bitcoin, there's a good chance that you've also heard about its underlying technology, blockchain. I'm Jen, and I'm here today with CryptoVantage to help explain what blockchain is, how it works, and walk you through some of its key features. If you find today's video useful, give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you can continue to explore the world of cryptocurrency with us. And if you have any more crypto-curious thoughts on your mind, leave us a comment down below to let us know what they are, or head on over to CryptoVantage.com where you can find tons of great crypto resources, news, and information. Thanks to the power of blockchain, users on the Bitcoin network are in complete control of their account balances and transactions. Here, they won't ever need the help of a bank to send money, secure their funds, or even pay for products. So you might be wondering, what exactly is this thing called blockchain? Simply put, blockchain is the technology that served as the catalyst for the invention of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. At its core, blockchain is all about trust. It's an immutable, transparent database that is impossible to change, fake, hack, or disrupt. In more technical terms, blockchain is a series of individual blocks that contain transactions taking place on the network. Computers around the world maintain the same copy of each individual block. These computers form the Bitcoin network and maintain the security and authenticity of the blockchain. It's not a perfect analogy, but in many ways, blockchain is doing to money what the internet did for information. It's democratizing the process. Another thing that blockchain does is it cuts out the middleman. On the Bitcoin network, transfers take place using a peer-to-peer payment system. There is no third party required to facilitate the transaction between you and a merchant for a purchase or transfer when using cash. The ability to cut out the middleman in online transactions has the potential to disrupt and transform many industries, from making supply chains more efficient to creating cheaper global transactions and more. You might be wondering, can blockchain fail? At the end of the day, blockchain is software built by humans, and humans can make mistakes. While nothing is infallible, the Bitcoin blockchain has been active for more than a decade, and there has never been a single successful hack performed on the network. Interestingly, the more users the Bitcoin network has, the more secure it becomes, and the likelihood of a hack goes down as it increases greater adoption. Blockchain's level of security is remarkable. This is especially true when you consider that major financial institutions like Capital One and Equifax have been hacked in the past, and they have giant security teams dedicated to protecting their products. The reason that blockchain is such a big deal, especially with cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, is that for years, people and institutions have been craving a digital currency. We live in a digital age, so why is our currency still made of paper and stored in physical banks? The reason for this is the issue of trust, and blockchain represents a potential solution to this issue. It's just one of the big reasons why people around the world are so excited about Bitcoin. And there you have it, a quick introduction to your question, what is blockchain? Now, does all of this information have you feeling even more crypto curious? Ask us your questions in the comments section down below. We also invite you to check out our resources section for links to more great content and information from CryptoVantage.com. Now, before you go, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any more great videos on cryptocurrency. Thanks for tuning in.